Yogi Surajnath, Guru Budnath Ji, Gorakh Sabdi, the Saints of Gorakhnath. Sabdi number 259 260. 259 and 260. Priya jitate purushagata, milibhanantate purushagata, visas ghatagi purushagata, kayarau tattate purushagata, abhasabhashante purushagata, sabadhinate purushagata, udikarakhante purushagata, परत्रिया राचंतते पुरुषागता सती सती भाषत गोरख बाला इतना त्यागी रहो निराला. Translation by Bhagwan Nath and Yogi Surajnath. Captivated by women, they have gone. Coming together to harm others, they have gone. The treacherous, they have gone. The cowards, they have gone. They eat what they shouldn't, they have gone. They do not keep their word, they have gone. They hold their water, they have gone. They fancy other men's wives, they have gone. True, true, says young Gorakh, give them all up and live alone. Simple wording, सादी शब्दी, स्पष्ट बात. थोड़ा सा explanation, some explanation, a bit explanation in Hindi and English, both हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में थोड़ा सा स्पष्टीकरण जो जरूरी है. बाकी तो सारे शब्द रचना साफ है कि जो स्त्रियों के द्वारा जीत लिया जाता है वो पुरुष गए. जो एक दूसरे के साथ मिल कर के दूसरे की तकलीफ में कारण होते हैं वो भी गए. दूसरे को दुख देने में द ट्रेचरस जो विश्वासघात करते हैं वो भी गए. जो डरपोक होते हैं वो भी गए. और जो नहीं खाना चाहिए वो खाते हैं, अभक्ष खाते हैं वो भी गए. और जो अपने दिए हुए शब्द को नहीं रखते हैं, शब्द विचारशीलता के साथ नहीं देते हैं और शब्द को रखते नहीं, एक बार दिया तो वो भी गए, वो भी पुरुष गए, उनकी वाट लग गई. और दे होल्ड देयर वाटर, यानी कि जो उदिक राखंदते पुरुषागता, जो अपना पानी रखते हैं. पानी रखने की बात तो पानी यह शब्द उदिक या पानी यह शब्द कभी कभी भारतीय हिंदी भाषा में, भारतीय भाषाओं में, हिंदी भाषा में सीमेन सेक्सुअल फ्लूइड्स इसके लिए भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. जो सेक्सुअल फ्लूइड्स को क्या कहेंगे, जो जननेंद्रिय के जो स्राव होते हैं उसके बारे में भी इस उदिक यह शब्द या पानी यह शब्द इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. सादे शब्दों में जो ब्रह्मचर्य का आदर्श लेके बैठते हैं उनकी वाट लग गई. मगर साथ ही ये भी परत्रिया राचंतते पुरुषागता, जो दूसरों के स्त्रियों के साथ लफड़े करते हैं, लव अफेयर्स करते हैं, उनकी भी वाट लग गई, वो भी गए काम से. सती सती भाषत गोरख बाला, गोरख बाला सत बात कहते हैं. इतना त्यागी जो ऐसे है उनका त्याग करो बाबा, उनके संग में ना रहो, रहो निराला, अलोन, अकेला रहो, सहज रहो, ज्ञान से रहो. So a bit in English explanation, all the wording is simple as we have read in translation. Only a few only a bit point that they hold their water, they have gone. Water or pani or udik is used in Hindi sometimes, in Indian languages sometimes, for sexual fluids, semen or sexual fluids. So to the point, those who live in the ideal, in an ideal of celibacy, brahmacharya, celibacy, Gorakh straightly says that they have gone. The ideal of celibacy is not of any help in spirituality, in right religious learning. But again, in the very next line, Gorakh says, they fancy other men's wives, they have also gone. So So it is simple to understand. True, says young Gorakh. Give them all up and leave alone all of those captivated by women coming together to harm others. The treacherous, the cowards, they eat what they shouldn't, and they don't keep their words, and so on. They have the ideal of celibacy, they hold their water, and they fancy other men's or they fancy other men's wives. All they have gone. This is what Gorakh says. True, says Gorakh, young Gorakh, Bala Gorakh. Bala, young, fresh, freedom from the known, the presence of the mind coming to the presence again and again with skill and diligence, in meditating, learning life. And this learning of life is the easy, sweet and natural way of meditation, like this, observing feelings with skill and diligence, maybe with breathing or maybe with the sensation in the center of the upper lip, and that way you know about life per se in its movement. Specialties are another matters. We may be knowing English, Marathi, Hindi, farming, chemistry, drugs, doctor, bureaucracy, administration, rulers, etc., etc. So many specialties. That is another thing. Good. If somebody master this or that kind of specialty, however, know that. However, know well that this is not this is everybody's needs. Observation of the stream of the mind with skill and diligence is nearly most of the time, all the time, let us say, despite wandering, coming to it again and again with skill and diligence. This is everybody's need, and this is not any speciality, but this is fundamental, basic, everybody's need. And by this, we become sensitive, we become alert, alert and sensitive towards the moment of life as it is. That way we know what we are, and in the relationship we could know whatever whoever we meet with, he or she, her mind, his or her mind is easily, and we may commit mistakes to know about others' feelings, but to what our feelings are within us, there is no possibility of committing a mistake for any average person like you and me. Suraj not in an average person, and this possibility of transference, this fundamental learning, insight into life and its mysteries, deepening into through emptying of the time, the ending of time, and emptying of consciousness, and ending of sorrow and ignorance. That way, this is possible for each and every person, and that is what the passion of Siddhas and Buddhas, of Gorakh Buddha and so on is. And likewise, Surajnath says this clearly, openly, for everybody. Don't take this that this learning is any special and there need to be some special person, special intelligence, special skill. No, the specialties are the matters of space and time. In the field of thought and time, this is the matter of presence and everybody's need. Everybody's need. Attention is everybody's need. Thought is a little part of our consciousness. Attention or no thought is all of this body-mind complex is no thought. Thought is little part. So let no thought or attention work. Get insight into it and use thought when needed, and not get strayed in thought every time. No. Understand its place and its limit. It is time, and it has capacity to design things for day-to-day life. Should it mean that it should start designing ways in the name of religion or God, design religions, design God, ideas in the name of God, beliefs, ideas, ideologies, all rubbish. Silent passion for Supreme or God is good in itself, perfect, keep it so. And through emptying, we deepen into life. Actually, not in ideas, not with any speciality, but actually here and now. And so, heaven is not some here. Heaven is on the earth here, within, and that way with compassion, it moves around.